Hi, I'm Todd Finnerty, your Director of Membership Engagement here at the Auto Care Association. Hopefully, everyone is now dug out of all the snow and ice, but are you still digging out of all those New Year's emails in your inbox? I know you still have all those Auto Care emails flagged, and you're gonna catch up with them at some point, right? Right? We know how busy the aftermarket gets, so let us make this brief and give you the quick hits with our Membership Minute. The first month of the new year has been busy, with the HDAW conference taking place with nearly 3,000 meetings, attendees, over 300 exhibiting suppliers, too many to count one-on-one meetings. It was clearly the place to be in the heavy-duty space. The Manufacturer Reps Business Outlook webinar just took place and is now on the Digital Hub. We also had one for our ACBN Pipeline series and for our Powertrain Trends and Outlook forecast. I know what I will be watching this TGIF. Other items to look ahead to include the Women in Auto Care Conference and Auto Care Connect. Registration for both conferences is now open. Don't forget to keep supporting Right to Repair by sending a letter to your legislator at repairact.com. Even if you did it already, do it again.
Do it!
Do it again and
Just
again.
do it!
The aftermarket is a busy place, so let us be your maintenance reminder. Until next time, this is your Membership Minute.